Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower on plastic ring. It's super simple and easy to make. And I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook and 2 plastic rings and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, take the plastic ring and pull the yarn with the help of crochet hook. And now to start your first row, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook. Go from the plastic ring, pull the yarn and then pull through all 3 loops to make your first half double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the plastic ring, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet 2. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet 3. Repeat the same pattern and make half double crochet 4, half double crochet 5, half double crochet 6, and complete multiple of 5 plus 4 half double crochet stitches till the end of the ring. So after completing this, go into this first half double crochet stitch. It's a little bit difficult to go through, but go through this stitch and pull the yarn. You can also use the same color yarn or you can change the yarn color for the petals. So pull this second color yarn from this first half double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now we are going to start our second row. Make chain 1, go into the same half double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn and skip 2 half double crochet stitches and go into the third half double crochet stitch and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make your first double crochet stitch. Go into the same stitch again, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. Again go into the same stitch and repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3. Go into the same stitch and make double crochet 4. Go into the same stitch and make double crochet 5. So this is our first petal. Make 5 double crochet stitches. After completing 5 double crochet stitches, again skip 2 half double crochet stitches and into the third one make a single crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, skip 2 half double crochet stitches, go into the third stitch and make double crochet 1 into the same stitch, double crochet 2 into the same stitch, double crochet 3 into the same stitch, double crochet 4 into the same stitch, double crochet 5. Now again skip 2 half double crochet stitches and into the third one make a single crochet stitch to finish your second petal. Now again wrap the yarn, skip 2 half double crochet stitches, into the third one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and double crochet 5. After completing 5 double crochet stitches, again skip 2 half double crochet stitches and into the third one make a single crochet stitch to finish this third petal. Continue repeating this pattern till the end of the round. So after completing, skip the last 2 single crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches, and go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch, pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now we are going to weave our extra yarn end with the help of needle. So take your yarn to the back side and then make a knot to secure your work. After making a knot, go through this double crochet stitch and then go through these stitches of this petal like this to secure your work. And then cut this extra yarn. Now weave these 2 yarn ends by repeating the same pattern with the help of needle. So friends, here is this super simple and easy flower. You can use this crochet flower for decoration and on your different kind of crochet projects. So must try it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.